Hey everyone, VixTCG here. Today I'm unboxing the Kith Cross New Balance series. I will start with the 990 V4s. So, box comes like this. Kith orange logoing around, monogram, really nice. On top of the shoebox, it features the shoe. There we go. What size did I get? This is the size I got, size 2. I bought this for my kid. Maybe a bit too big for now, but I'm happy to get these. I mean, inside, you see there's logoing in here, RF, by Ronnie. Lovely, lovely suede in this nice orange. We have this nice little like teal, light teal, KXTH, Kith logo branding on the back heel. Really nice, I would say. And I mean, this tongue, I think that's suede. Look how buttery that is. That is straight butter. That's clean. That is a clean pair. And then the next pair that we did get is this pair here. The United Arrows Cross Kith 990 KT4s. These are my wife's. She does like them. This one, Kith monogram around the box. Let's see. Inside we get a pair of Stance socks. Let's open these up. I think she's gonna wear them anyway. Size medium. Awesome. This is the colorway of the sneaker. Freeway crossover, New Balance, Kith, and United Arrows. I believe these are based on the 997.5 he did in the previous series that he did before. Extra laces, a purple and white lace, bundled up. Wrapping paper. Made in USA tags. Actually, the one before, I think I checked inside the tag labeling. The kids' ones here, made in Indonesia, but these ones, made in USA. Lovely deep purple hair. The grays are just utilized so well, and the pinks just really offset the shoe. Honestly, I think this is one of the better looking ones of the series. Actually, they're still sitting on the side in the smaller sizes. This is a size 6 US men. KXTH logoing, Kith anniversary. Alright everyone, and there we have it. The RF Kith New Balance unboxing. Thanks everyone for viewing. Please like and subscribe for more sneaker unboxings.